Ilang Junjun pa ba ang dapat mawala? Ilang pangarap pa ba ang masasayang? Mental health problems have become both a medical and societal problem. 6 million Filipinos live with depression and anxiety, and mental health problem is the third most common disability in the Philippines. Numbers in suicide rates are underreported because suicide cases may sometimes be misclassified as undetermined deaths. We might not know the reason why they have ended their lives, but one thing's for sure, they feel that they are alone.
Kadamo sang schoolworks, ano nahon ko man?
Nagmahal lang naman ako.
Nababalanse ko pa ba ang lahat?
Lumay lang tayo kung intindi.
Due date na ng mga bills bukas, tumaas pa ang interest sa bangko.
Ngayon ka man ni kabadtulik no kami. Tao kami bon.
Gubak masakom kam tabali sa gamong bele iya. Alan niya malaykom sa tuglugalde.
Walang pinipili. Bata, may katungkulan, negosyante, o anuman ang estado sa lipunan. Ang depresyon ay walang mukha. It is only a must for us to prepare ourselves with resources that help us buffer the impact of grief, sadness, or hopelessness.
Remember that even the darkest storms will pass and light comes around. You are not alone in this journey.
There are still areas, not just here in our city, but in the whole Philippines that not have been reached by this advocacy.
But regardless of the work that we have yet to achieve in mental health here in the Philippines, I, as a mental health advocate, encourages everyone to work with us in advocating for mental health.
Over the past 6 years, I have been invited and I initiated mental health programs and workshops to every sector that needs it. Pero kulang ang isang ako sa 6 na milyong Pilipinong dumaranas ng mental health problems. Kulang ang iilang mental health workers sa libu-libong tulad ni Junjun. Ang laban para sa mental health ay hindi lamang laban ng iilan, kundi ng buong bayan. Sa usapang mental health, kasama tayong lahat. Kasali lahat dahil ito ay para sa lahat. You don't need to be a mental health professional to help save a life. Sometimes, you just need to be a friend. And I am Marella Glaspea Karuwaman, your hiyas ng City of Coronadal, a clinical psychologist training, and a friend.